Well, howdy. I hope 2024 is treating you well. It's treating me well so far. So I thought I'd give you a little tour of the Suburban, give you an overlook of what we're going to be doing this year, and other stuff. So let's get into it. First, the Burb. So the mirror is missing still. That's no surprise there. Got our fridge here. You can access this from the back or from the front, but there's a lot of crap on the front. It's as easy as popping this open, and then up it goes. So all I have in here right now is some earplugs and nothing. You see we're at 33 right now, and it holds that temperature pretty good. It's pretty low power consumption. And then in the back, you can enter through the back passenger side door, through here. We got our heater, just in case. And our lantern, which we just replaced the battery on, because honestly I think I left it on overnight and it drained, so that's there. Let's go in through the back. And through the back you can enter as well. We've got our bed, and we have 3 sleeping bags if you didn't notice. I'm going to be testing a couple new ones out, because this one is a 30 degree bag, I think, or 20 degree bag. And it just ain't cutting it, man. So I have a minus 25 degree bag there. And then this says it's a 0 degree bag, but that's rated for comfort, not survival. So technically it's a minus 25 bag as well. So I got a Cabela's brand, and then I forgot what that brand is. We've got our transmission fluid that I will undoubtedly need, because this thing leaks pretty bad. Our drawer, I already see a fork fell through, so we've got bowls, we've got our big old cook stove, big honkin' Coleman, for spices, stuff like that. There was forks in here, but they're gone now. Trash bags, very important. And obviously I've done nothing about the damage here. I'm just gonna leave it because So then we have drawer number 1 here. And so drawer number 1, a bunch of propane, buddy. I have, 6 in here? I could maybe fit 7 or 8. Oh yeah, we're gonna fit 7 or 8 in there. Yeah, 7 it is. Alright, well, there's really nothing in there right now. This is my clothes drawer. I forgot when I went to Vermont, I took all my clothes out of here. So I need to kind of restock that. So yeah, that's about it. It's pretty simple for now. I do want to add to it. So here's what we're going to do. I ordered some lights. We're going to put them up here on the side. There's already holes drilled from where the roof rack used to be. And I want to put a light on the back as well. I want to put a light there anyway for if I'm cooking late at night. There's no light. Whatever. And so I think that'll help there. And then as far as the one over here, if I'm going to be in the forest camping and I need to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, well, I want to know what's out there before I go out there. I don't want to have to open the door and then shine a light out there and see a bear or whatever. So if I had like a little panel here with switches for my lights, that would make the world a lot better in my opinion. I'm going to mount the battery back here, and I think it'll fit. We're going to find out. My own personal goal, I lost 30 pounds in 2023. No pills, no exercise at all. Just changed the way I ate. And I think I want to lose 20 more or so and get down to 180. And so I think I might actually have to start exercising, which is great because one of my other goals is to go take the Suburban camping more. And I think that's very doable, especially with these sleeping bags that I bought. My biggest concern in the past was that I was getting too cold and it was really miserable, and I was having to rely on the heater, the propane heater, because the Suburban doesn't have a heater. It's still bypassed at the moment. Another one of my personal goals, by the way, is to save a lot of money. I want to have a 5-digit bank account, because I've never had that before in my life, and I think that would be fantastic. I spent all of 2022 and 2023 mostly paying off massive amounts of debt. So it was in the tune of like between $30,000 and $40,000 of debt that I paid off. I think my monthly bills in early 2020 were like $1,800 to $1,900 a month. And now my monthly bills are about $800 a month, and that includes my Honda Accord, which is like $285 a month. So I am way better off than I was back then, and I really hope to keep it that way. Now, as far as the channel, I think I've come a very long way since the beginning. I mean, the first video, we're not going to count the first video. We're going to count like when I started making regular videos. I really didn't want to talk to people. It's kind of hard to talk to a camera. So let's have a comparison of me talking to the camera then. Can you make your own muffler with stuff you might have laying around your house? Well, yeah, I did actually. Versus me talking to you now. I'm a lot more like, well, like I am in real life, you know? What you see is what you get, and you're never going to question where I stand on something. Unless I don't want you to know where I stand on something. And so now that I have the social skills to be able to support a channel with a better following, I want to get a better following. First goal is to break that 1,000 subs. That's a big number. So I do need to get videos going that will have long-term views versus short-term views. So expect some how-to videos, maybe some tool reviews, because there's some really weird tools I think that you should probably consider. I also want to be sure to upload a video every week. I might fail. I'm probably going to fail. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to fail on that. But I want to try. And so I'll be sure to try to get regular uploads every week. Probably on the weekend. We'll shoot for Saturday. Like I said, I want to go camping more, and we're going to do that. I am determined. And so I'm going to drive the Suburban until it collapses and blows up. And after that happens, I'm not in bad shape because I actually have a car hauler now. It's a 21 foot or 20 foot, I don't remember which. Bought it off my brother. Got a smoking good deal on it. And so if the Suburban breaks down, I can simply go home and get the truck, load up the trailer, and then take the Suburban home. If the Suburban does blow up, I will be camping a lot in the truck. I do want to kind of distribute them so that the truck gets some showtime as well, because I do really like that truck. And I have that tent for it. So I hope you enjoy the truck, because you're going to see a lot more of it. I found a website where they list all of like the free camping in the country, and I found a lot of free camping spots. So I hope this website can help me find some really good places. There's a lot near Telluride, Colorado, and I want to go try some stuff, man. So we're going to try some stuff. Also, I have a Facebook page. I haven't posted anything on it, and I don't know what I'm going to post on it, but feel free to give that a follow if you so desire. The link will be below. Honestly, I think I've rambled long enough. So, as usual, you be good while I'm gone. I will see you next time. Have a good week.